So we tried to set up our Bucky's cabana, but it unfortunately looks extremely stupid. I love it. I'm not ready for this day. It's 9:26 a.m. I'm a true believer in having different bags for different occasions, so we're switching it up today. This is one of my favorites. The Bucky's Cabana is coming out to play. Oh yeah. So because we're going with our extended family, we have this and that. I'll show you a better picture of it when we get to the beach. But we're on the way finally. So one of the coolers just fell off the back in the middle of traffic. You can actually see where it fell right here. And I'm kind of mad about it because that's the one that had my drink in it. It's fine though, it's fine. This is the extreme amount of stuff we brought. And this is our spot for the day. Welcome to the beach, bitch. Yeah, boy, we're grilling now. We're on the way home and we are about to lose some chairs. But luckily we stopped and we won't lose the chairs. I think we had a very successful beach day, but now my body is exhausted, so I'm just gonna lay down for a second or two. All right, friends, I am now on my way to go hang out with, well, my friends, and I may keep you guys updated, or I may end it here for tonight. We'll see. If I do end it here, I'll see you tomorrow. Can't wait. Look at this. The record was 18.99, and my time was 12:20. That's crazy. I have never beaten this lady in Mario Party. Never. Oh. Hi. Wow, Acorn Plains. Alright, vlog, that's all for tonight.